What is up? It's another day of shotgun challenge. This is day 3 out of 7, and we're gonna see how high we can get my shotgun. So enjoy.
UAV overhead. I got a look. Team deathmatch.
Got a
Enemy
reload.
troops in the AO. We're losing ground. Step it up.
Landing a grenade out!
We've taken control. Friendly UAV overhead.
Check fire! Friendly!
So right here I come around and I hear a guy, and so I start running around and I just do a little ring around the rosy, and then I go in the crate area and see him, shoot him, and then get killed. So
Lost the lead, soldier.
So right here, I just go prone for a second, and then I get up, run, and I get shot in the back a couple times, and so I turn around and I try and find him. Can't see him, so I go back, and then I hear his footsteps, and then I turn around and kill him with fire from my dragon's breath, and then I get shot by this guy.
Not me! Shoot them!
Enemy UAV overhead. Halfway there. Step it up. No shot.
You كلب!
Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
So right here, I run through the building, and I come out of the little cashier thing. I shoot this guy once, and then finish him off right before he can kill my teammate. And then I round this corner, expecting to see people, and I don't. And I hear footsteps, and I thought it was my teammate. And I hide in this corner and kill this guy with the MP7. And then I just keep running around and go through this little pallet thing.
Not moving!
Enemy cruise missile incoming. Still in the house.
get killed by the second cruise missile in a row. Quick check the leaderboard, and then I kill this kid with the MP7 and go on top here and try and get in it for a second. I was struggling a little bit. Then try and shoot somebody with a shotgun from there.
Right here.
Enemy in center.
Oi! Check your fire!
And right here I spawn in and I run through, and then we lose the game. And leave a like, and goodbye.